Hi! Thank you for checking out my listing. Please feel free to reach out to me at 317-445-5796 if you have any further questions or would like to schedule a showing. I look forward to hearing from you. Gorgeous 4-bedroom/2 full bath 2 STRY log home on 0.93 AC of a breathtaking property west/mature trees, nature as far as you can see, rolling hills and amp, close to lake. Interior features 6-panel wood doors, a large kit west/endless oak cabinetry and amp, counter space galore. The kit sink is located at the center island, making it easy to entertain in the dining room and amp, still multitask in the kit. 2 bedrooms are on the main level and amp, 2 on the upper level. Main bath features a double shower. All of the bedrooms are very open west/ plenty of space, so any could be the MA bedroom. Bath on upper level has a standalone shower and amp, separate jacuzzi tub. The bath has more than enough untapped space and amp, could even accommodate a larger walk-in shower to make someone's dream bath. There is a split HVAC system to keep both levels comfortable year-round and amp, utilities low. Situated at the end of a cul-de-sac, this home is in the perfect location to relax on your covered front porch or sit on the raised back deck and amp, enjoy your own private retreat.